Guangzhou, China. Rongyu Intelligent has always been to heart for the purpose of treating each partner. We all give our heart to this, consistently insisting on filial piety culture as the central idea for our business. Our founder, Mr. Jing Wen, believes that it is always important to first be able to move yourself before you can influence others in anything you do. Rongyu provides users with intelligent manufacturing automation solutions of products. We will listen to your needs. Rongyu Intelligent was established in 2011 as a professional intelligent automation equipment hardware and software enterprise under Yuzhou Eco-Industry Investment. Rongyu is an innovative enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service, with the professional quality of customizing solutions for users. Strive to bring each solution closer to and meet the needs of users. Rongyu is committed to manufacturing every product and serving every user. Since its establishment, it has obtained multiple patents, CE export certification, and quality management system certification. We have a variety of self-developed intelligent assembly, automatic carton forming machine, bottom forming machine, intelligent bagging machine, intelligent ring assembly machine, simple assembly machine, aging test machine. The company has more than 5,000 square meters of standard factory and more than 60 employees. Rongyu manufactures for the manufacturing industry. Products cover Asia, Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, and many other countries and regions. To ensure timeliness, the products are subject to strict acceptance criteria from R&D, production, quality control, testing of finished products, sales to after-sales service. To ensure that the products delivered are of high quality, service does not lie in selling, but in after-sales. Professional after-sales service team solves the problems for users at the first time. And all this success cannot be achieved without your approval. Rongyu Intelligent has been venturing through the storm for 11 years since its establishment. Rongyu People's mission: consistently help more users and manufacture products that touch people's hearts and are generously priced. Rongyu People's vision: to create a Chinese brand and become a respected intelligent manufacturing company. Building a dream for the future. We vow to contribute to the manufacturing industry by providing automation solutions. Rongyu, making manufacturing easier.